Good morning, all of you. This is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School, and today's topic is notice writing for English composition. Notice writing is a very small topic in which a very precise language is used to give a specific information to a very limited group of people. ठीक है, बहुत लिमिटेड ग्रुप ऑफ लोगों के लिए एक सीधा रिटन इंफॉर्मेशन पीस जब हम देते हैं तो दैट इज कॉल्ड नोटिस राइटिंग. सो विल सी व्हाट इज अ नोटिस. A notice is a formal document that aims to communicate or display information to public or a specific group of people. Okay, it is a formal document that aims to, जिसका जो उद्देश्य होता है that is to communicate or display information. Either it is communication or talking to those people or giving them some information, and the information giving is done to either the whole public, ठीक है, or otherwise a specific group of people. Generally it is for a specific group of people only. ठीक है, notices are not for everybody. Generally it is for a specific group of people, and many times it is for the whole public also. Notice is a written or printed information or news announcement. It is basically a news announcement. ठीक है, that is in a written or a printed format. Either it can be in a written format or it can be in a printed format. Okay, notice is always brief and to the point. These are the things which we need to understand in message writing also and notice writing also. Okay, that these kind of writing skills or these kind of compositions are very precise and very to the point. They are never in a very descriptive or detailed manner. Letter writing जब हमने करी थी, that was a very descriptive and detailed writing. Essays are detailed and descriptive. Picture composition can be detailed and descriptive. Speech and article writing can be detailed and descriptive. But notice writing is that one thing, or messages is that one thing that will never be in a detailed format. It is always in a very systematic way or in a very precise way, जिसके अंदर आप जो main information है सिर्फ उसको पॉइंट आउट करते हो, एंड अदर देन दैट यू डू नॉट जस्ट बीट अराउंड द बुश, यू जस्ट टॉक टू द पॉइंट. ओके, some important tips before we go to the format of notice writing. We need to understand that some important tips have to be followed while writing a notice. First is adhere to the specified word limit of 50 words. Means the word limit for notice is always 50 words only, and you have to stick to that. आपको उसके अलावा या उससे ज्यादा वर्ड्स वहां पे नहीं लिखने. if you are writing or if you are doing that, so what will that do is that will actually deduct your marks, or that will violate the regulations of writing a notice. Okay, write the word notice at the top. You can see very easily here. You can very easily see that the word notice is written all in capital letters. So while writing a notice, you also have to write it in that particular way only. जब आप लिखोगे नोटिस, तो आपको भी नोटिस जो है वो ऐसे कैपिटल लेटर में ही लिखना है. ठीक है, नेम एंड प्लेस ऑफ द स्कूल, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और ऑफिस इशूइंग द नोटिस शुड बी मेंशन. जो भी स्कूल, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या ऑफिस, ठीक है, नोटिस को प्रेजेंट कर रहा है या नोटिस इश्यू कर रहा है, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू राइट डाउन द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. ठीक है, गिव एन अप्रोप्रिएट हेडिंग. यू हैव टू यूज अ हेडिंग आल्सो. आपको एक हेडिंग डालनी है इसके अंदर. ठीक है, देन यू हैव टू राइट द डेट ऑफ इशूइंग द नोटिस. यू हैव टू राइट नॉट द डेट ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन यू आर गिविंग, बट जिस दिन आपने वो इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो जिस दिन आपने वो इंफॉर्मेशन लोगों की तरफ पॉइंट आउट करी है, लोगों की तरफ शूट करी है, या जिस दिन आपने वो नोटिस इशू किया है, आपको उस दिन का डेट लिखना है. ठीक है, यू हैव टू मेंशन द डेट ऑफ इशूइंग द नोटिस. क्लियरली मेंशन द टारगेट ग्रुप. ठीक है, टू whom you are writing the notice. Yeah, which people have to take information from that notice have to be mentioned very clearly. If you are not clearly mentioning that, so that might lead to some confusions, and then again the objective of writing the notice may not be fulfilled. Okay, Then the purpose of the notice, whatever information you are trying to give, that has to be mentioned in the notice very properly. आपका क्या purpose है, आपने क्यों वो notice लिखा है, ये सारी जो चीजें हैं, that should be mentioned very clearly. Then mention all relevant details. Whatever relevant details here has to be given. Whether where your whatever information. Supposingly, if there's a information about the meeting, so you have to tell where the meeting is to be held, when the meeting has to be held, the date also, the time also, who have to come to the meeting. If other than that, there are some any other specific information, like if there's any dress code or if there's any kind of particular thing which you have to bring to the meeting, so all those things you have to mention. What might happen in your exams is that sometimes these information come, sometimes these informations may be given, and sometimes there might be a sentence that invent all the important information. Means the rest of the information, you will be just told that you are so and so, you have to write a notice for so and the topic of the notice is so and so. ठीक है. What might happen is कि उसके अलावा जो भी information आपको देनी है, be it the date, the venue, the time, the uniform or the dress code or everything, that you will have to give it yourself only. वो आपको आएगी नहीं, वो आपको अपने मन से बना के लिखनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है. And then at the end you have to write down the signature, name and designation of the person. It's not always important that you write the signature. Sometimes only name and designation are sufficient. Just write down the name, just write down the designation, and that is done for. Okay. Another very important thing while writing a notice is that you have to put the notice in a box. पूरा notice है, that is very important that you write it or put it in a box. आपको जो पूरा notice है उसके around में एक box जो है वो बनाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. So these are some important tips that have to be followed while writing a notice. Then this is basically the format of a notice. Okay. This is the format of the notice. This you can see very clearly is the okay, this you can very clearly see is the box. Okay, very properly, nicely box has been drawn around it. First, you have to write down the name of the institution or organization. Okay, आपको institute का जो भी नाम है, आपकी school का जो भी नाम है, वो लिखना है. Then you have to write down the notice. Okay, you have to write down the notice. After that, you have to write down the word notice. Here it has been mentioned a bit wrong. I think it was by mistake. You have to write it in capital. Okay, this has to be written in capital. Okay, then you have to write down the date, the heading here. Okay, heading you have to write. Then you have to give the body and content, whatever information you have to give. Then your name and then your designation. These are some different things. Actually, different formats are taken at different places. We can take any one out of this. Okay. This is one example which I have taken for you. Okay, we'll read the question and then we'll understand the notice also. The question is, you are Lokesh Chaudhary, the head boy of ASN Public School, Mayur Vihar, Delhi. The activities in charge of your school has asked you to call the meeting of the House Council members and House Council members to allocate duties for the annual sports day. Full stop. Invent the necessary details of date, time, and place, and write a notice in about 50 words and put the notice in the box. Okay, this is what we talked about, that you may have to invent the necessary details. आपको सिर्फ ये बता गया that your name is Lokesh Chaudhary. You study in ASN Public School, which is in Delhi. Activities in charge has called the meeting for House Council members to allocate duties for annual sports. ठीक है, इतना सा काम है. What has happened is that rest of the details, where the meeting is to be held, when the meeting is to be held, date, time, everything, all these details you have to prepare and you have to give. Okay. First thing which we do is that we write down. First thing which we do is we write down the name of the organization. It might be the school, college, office, anything it can be. Okay? Then if detailed address is given, like Mayur Vihar, Delhi, then you'll write it like that. And if only Delhi was given, then you would have made a comma and then you would have written Delhi in capital letters here only. Okay? Because we have a detailed address, so we'll write it this way. Then the date and notice, you can write it in the same line also, and you can write the date below also. The first line you're writing notice, below that you can write the date, but to the left corner it has to be here only. It cannot come here or just below it. It cannot. This is the space specified for it. We'll write the word notice. Okay. After that, you'll write down the date. It can be in the same line or in one line below. Then you give the heading meeting of house council members. Okay. So whenever somebody is passing through, they can just see meeting of house council members. Supposingly, if I am not a member of the house council, okay, what will it do? If I have seen the notice, I'll see the heading and then I'll just ignore that because I'm not a member of house council. I will not bother about it. And if I am a member of house council, so as soon as I see house council members, I will just go and approach it that okay, this is a meeting for us. Then I'll go and read the whole thing. Okay. Then in very small and precise language it has to be written. The school is organizing the annual sports day on 28th February 2021. Okay. This is the date which we have invented on our own. ये हमको डेट जो है वो किसी ने दिया नहीं था. We have invented it on our own. The activities in charge is called a meeting of House Council members to discuss the arrangements of sports annual sports day. Okay, the arrangements have to be discussed, and for that House Council members are to be called. And who has called the meeting? The activities in charge. Please reach the auditorium. This becomes the venue. This becomes the time, and this becomes the date. With that, we have given all the detailed information, and that is the end of the notice. जब हमने सारी information जो है वो दे दी है, उसके बाद में हमको और कोई इसके अंदर details लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है? Then you write down your name, Lokesh Chaudhary, and what is your designation? Designation means your position. आप किस position में हो, that is your designation. So Lokesh Chaudhary is the head boy. So he'll write down Lokesh Chaudhary, head boy, and then draw this box. ये जो box है वो उसके बाद में बनेगा, and that is the end of the notice. This is only what you have to write in the notice, nothing more than that. I hope it was clear to all of you, because it has to be very specific and very clear. ज़्यादा आपको उसके अंदर डिटेल्स लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, बहुत टू द पॉइंट आपको बात करनी है, ठीक है? So I hope this was clear to all. Always remember that mentioning this box is very much important. Writing this notice is very much important. Okay. The school's name also has to be in capital. The heading has also has to be in capital, and the word notice also has to be in capital. This is the date of issuing, and here are all the other information which you have to give in the notice. Okay. So that was it. I hope it was clear to all. Thank you.